Hello everyone. Let's look at using a generic trait. We'll also be looking at using any. And what we're going to do is we're going to verify whether a username is valid. If it has an @ symbol in it, then it won't be valid. So if I quickly just run this code, go run, you see username cannot contain the @ symbol. So if we go back in, change it, where is it? There, save it, run it again, do it quietly. There we go, username is valid. So wasn't valid before because it had the @ symbol, now it is valid. So let's just have a quick overview of the code. So the one thing I wanted to capture while I remember is everything I've learned about trait so far. The trait, the function definition inside the trait has always been the same as what you've used in the implementation. However, this one's different. So we've got fn validate, ampersand self. Then the input here in this use is ampersand string. Up here, ampersand t. So what you could actually do is create another impl for something else, and you could then pass in something which isn't a string reference. For instance, a string literal, some characters. So then obviously the last bit is the same. You still pass back either a result, which is OK, which is unit type, or a string, which is this message here, which is getting converted to a string just here at the end. So the struct username validator is literally just that, not even any brackets. And notice if you'd had brackets on the end, I know we've got problems further down, but that's a valid struct. But if you just want a struct with nothing, it's just an object that you can attach an implementation to, then it literally is just the name followed by the semicolon. Further, any. So here, if input cars dot any, so what that keeps doing is it keeps checking the character. Is the character equal to @? Then next one, next one, next one, next one. So it's iterating over them. If one of them equals @, so if @ equals true, then you get the error. If you iterate over all the characters and none of them are equal to @, then it's okay. So here we just create an instance of username validator struct, which then has the impl logic attached to it. The username is what we're going to be passing in to the function, the method. And then we're just going to do a match, and we're going to say if when we validate against our struct instance with all that logic, we're going to pass in a reference to the username. If it's okay, so if there's no error, we'll print the username as valid. If there's an error, so up here, then we'll print validation error. So that's all I wanted to do, was really just show that. Just wanted to record it for my own purposes as well. So I wanted to document it and share it with everyone for interest. I hope that has been of interest, and I'll be back in due course. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and all of that.